Hello students, so I have put together a YouTube channel for you guys that compiles a few videos for you guys to watch. So if you need some extra English help, I have pulled 2 videos that you guys can watch, helping with antonyms that we've learned about and a sentence song, which is really fun to watch, which reminds you where our punctuation goes and how our sentences start. And then I've also compiled some math videos, which teach us some addition skills and subtraction skills that we've learned about. So those 2 videos are helpful if you're having trouble. And then I've also compiled some science videos, which are really fun. The first video is actually a song, which is really cool about the planets. And then, a little bit of a longer one, just fun science videos that are all compiled together, and you don't have to watch the whole hour, but if you just want to watch a few minutes of it, they're really fun videos. And then I'm also subscribed to a few channels. So I am subscribed to Netflix Junior, just for some fun videos for you guys to watch if you ever need a break from school. There are also some educational videos that help with like our ABCs and adding and subtracting. I'm also subscribed to Scratch Garden, which makes fun videos that if you ever need help just with small things, those videos help you out. And I'm also subscribed to Homeschool Pop, which make very fun videos for you guys to watch. All of these videos will help if you are ever having trouble with the way I am explaining something. These videos explain a lot better and a lot more concise if you ever need help. But obviously, if you need help as well, you can come to me and talk to me about it too. Okay guys, have fun watching the videos.